Hello and welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The young people and young adults who participated in the missionary projects of the Salesians of southern Brazil made over 2,000 visits to the cities of Missal and Ponta Grossa, Paraná State, and Poço Redondo and São Joaquim, Santa Catarina State. The numbers give an idea of the pastoral activity in Saint Pius X province, Brazil, Porto Alegre, which took place simultaneously from 13th to 20th of January, or the 4 missionary fronts of its territory. In addition to the number of families visited, the projects encouraged Salesians and lay people at the beginning of a new year and leave a significant contribution in the host parishes. Father George Quadros, Salesian of the province of India Panjim, INP, was awarded on the 19th of January by the Prime Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, and the Prime Minister of Punjab, Bhagwan Esman, for his service in the field of agriculture. The award was given in particular to highlight his contribution to the rebirth of the arid fields of Digaband, thus supporting the livelihood of over 200 families living in this area. A live demonstration with drones was also held to verify the effectiveness of cores and crops. The Prime Minister of Punjab then congratulated Father Quadros, stating that the use of drones, if adopted throughout Punjab, will be a great help to farmers in their production. The Salesian St. Saviour's Higher Secondary School in Pathalyaghad won 3rd prize in the national competition for school bands in the category of female brass bands. The prestigious competition was held at the Dhyan Chand Stadium in New Delhi from 21st to 22nd January. The event was attended by 457 young people from 16 schools across India. The St. Saviour's School band comprised 25 girls between the ages of 11 and 17 from various villages in Tripura. The group, formed just 8 months ago, has shown exceptional talent, demonstrating their skills through hard work and dedication. The girls thus won 3rd prize, awarded by a jury composed of members of the Indian Army, Navy and Air Force. Reconciliation and Eucharist in the Light of St. Francis de Sales and Don Bosco was the title of the conference in honor of the Saint of Kindness, organized on the 20th January by the Salesian Cooperators belonging to the Basilica of Don Bosco Cooperators Center in Panama City. Salesians Father Miguel Torres and Father Manolo Press, both from the Salesian Ongoing Formation Center, America, based in Quito, Ecuador, spoke on the subject. Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco, joins humanitarian organizations and countries around the globe in honoring International Day of Education on January 24th, recognized since 2018. The United Nations General Assembly proclaimed International Day of Education as a celebration of the role of education for peace and development. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, noted, without inclusive and equitable quality education and lifelong opportunities for all, countries will not succeed in achieving gender equality and breaking the cycle of poverty that is leaving millions of children, youth and adults behind. Today, 250 million children and youth are out of school and 763 million adults are illiterate. Their right to education is being violated and it is unacceptable. It's time to transform education. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.